right, Cbvvs, the app, how to download it to your home screen. Okay, so Cbvvs, the app, is a web progressive app that just simply means that it's a web progressive app. Most people are used to mobile apps, and we're not at that phase yet. So in order to download the web progressive app to your home screen, I'm gonna go over how to do that today in this video. So you want to be on Safari to do so. I normally use Arc, but Safari makes it very easy to add to your home screen. So I'm just going to double back out of here and go to COWBOYYVVS.com. And of course, in order to do this, you want to have an active account with the app. We went over how to sign up with the app. Just hit those three dots right there and take over from there, or go watch the video. The way I like to log into the app is just clicking this button right here, because I'm already logged in. And from here, when you're logged in on the phone, all you want to do is just click this button down there, so the middle screen, and then you want to scroll down to add to home screen. And what it's going to do is you put, the name right there, and then you add it, and then now it's on there. So you see it's on there twice. So I'm going to delete that from here. And basically when you click it, it just has everything right here, and then you can get to the communities quick by just clicking it. Now you're in the communities. You can maneuver around in there, book appointments, do whatever you need to do. But shout out to you for watching this video. This is exactly how you add the app to your home screen. We'll see you in the next video. Let's win.